Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2023 Ford Bronco Sport in a Big Bend trim powered by a 1.5-liter EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power and fuel efficiency with four-wheel drive capabilities, so you're going to be able to get around pretty well. But let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back, we've got a pretty spacious cargo area that can always be expanded by folding down the rear seats. And then you have these tie-down points on either side with little lassos on them, 12-volt power outlet, and the power button for your rear cargo lights that can be articulated to shine where you need them. And then underneath your cargo floor, you have your spare with some extra room for other equipment. Then looking into the back seat, we have comfortable seating for three with a partial cloth and vinyl interior, fold-out armrests with two cup holders. Down in the middle, you have a USB and USB-C, and the backs of the seats have zippered pouches and molly rigging that you can hook equipment onto. And this vehicle has a remote start, so no need to go outside to warm up your vehicle. Looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a fully power adjustable driver's seat. Now, sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your controls for your center info screen where you can cycle through your trip information, my view, driver assistance features and settings, your navigation, now playing, phone controls, and further information about the vehicle. Moving on to the left, you have your cruise controls with adaptive steering, links, distance spacing technology, and then you have your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom, and your lane keeping system on the end of the signal stock. Then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, navigation, so you hopefully won't get lost, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. Shifting into reverse, you do have a backup camera so you can see where you're going. Moving down, you have your media controls, auto start, stop, shut off, and hazards. You have a tray beneath that, and then further down you have your climate controls with heated front seats. And you have this tray area beneath that with a USB, USB-C, 12-volt power outlet, and a wireless charging pad so you can throw your phone on there. Then you've got your main shifter on a dial, very convenient. Parking brake, brake hold, two cup holders, and your GOAT mode selector or drive mode selector for normal, eco, sport, slippery, and sand, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. Then you have your center compartment / armrest with plenty of room inside and another USB and USB-C, so you can plug something in from there too. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.